Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Painters with Mike, and today we've got a range haul and we've got a few exclusives to show you as well. I could not resist picking this up. I kept forgetting to pick it up when I did the Come Shop With Me. I looked at it, put it back, and for some reason didn't buy it. And I was supposed to look at it, film it to show you, and then put it in the basket, but I must have got distracted because I put it back on the shelf. There is a Tiger one as well, but I'm getting to the point now where I need to sort of like cater for the other shops as well. So I don't want to like spend all the cash in one shop. I just want to like sort of like, you know, budget around the other shops as well so that all shops get a turn and stuff. But this is the Gem Art Little Tortoise. They have got a tiger, as I said. This is about $4.99. And as you can see, just the standard stuff there with the kit as well. I didn't see any 20x20s, so I'm assuming they haven't got them anymore. Or perhaps they have got them and they've just not had the time to get them. I'm just trying to look for my craft knife, but it doesn't seem to be on here. So, oh mama, I don't know where it is. Okay, never mind. We'll have to just try and get into it somehow on here with this file thing. There we go, that does the trick. So inside here we have, it's so satisfying chucking away the cardboard box each time. I love doing that. I love getting rid of rubbish. But in here we've got some whopping big drills here, 30x30, so I'm probably going to have to get that file again and just give it a bit of a poke through there and we'll get into them. Already you can see the drills are absolutely beautiful. We've got a lovely hot pink there because Liz likes a hot pink, and we've got a shed load of bags. Yes, fantastic. And a white tray. I'm slowly changing all my trays over to whites, so it's always lovely when white trays come in. It looks as if this has only got 7 colours, so as you can see here, it's only got the 7 colours on the Shemetic, but let's take a look at this. Okay, wow. Okay, that's slightly interesting. Oh, it has got blue. I was sort of wondering, does it have blue or? But yeah, this is beautiful. It's got that lovely sort of blue background as if it's in the water. He's wearing a little cap here, and then obviously he's just taking a little swim down to the ocean floor with all the you know, the seaweed and what have you. You know that film Finding Nemo where Marlin or Nemo go into what's called an anomaly? I can't pronounce what it is, but apparently clownfish don't actually get stung by the anemone or whatever it's called, but I'd absolutely love a clownfish. Like, that would be so cool. Tropical fish are definitely a lot better than the standard fish you get. The stick on here is not the best, but as we saw with the Dylan the dog that I did, that came out pretty nice. So yeah, I think this is really quite nice actually. So yeah, that's another one done. We'll put that to one side for the moment because we need to go into our drills, ladies and gentlemen. And inside here we have the drills. And as you can see, we have got a beautiful array of colours going on here. We've got like a root beer sort of colour there. We've got our gold, we've got a black shimmery one there, a beautiful lime green, a gold, a hot pink for Liz, and we've also got ourselves like a seaweedy green, if you like. So an absolutely stunning canvas there. Now, let's take a short break because in the Come Shop With Me that you'll would have seen before this video, I went into B&M's. I don't often go there because every time I go there, there's like literally no diamond paintings. But I thought, do you know what? It's been a couple of weeks. Let's give it a go and see what they had. There was like a few diamond paintings that they had, but it wasn't doing it for me. And I instead decided to get these. Now, I thought I'd show these on camera for Pauline Jill. We do love our coffees and our teas, and they were doing this white hot chocolate selection. So you get Galaxy and Malteser. I had one last night. It's quite nice. So you get like really big sachets. You've got the Galaxy and you've got like the white chocolate as well. Like, imagine having white chocolate Maltesers. If you've ever had the Maltesers in here, in this country, you will know how lovely white Maltesers are. Obviously, if you like white chocolate. So we got them ones. And then they were doing these ones, which was, I was really, really quite interested in these. When I saw them, I thought they were like the hot chocolate pod things you get for your coffee machine. But it wasn't. And this is the Celebrations Hot Chocolate Selection. So looking at these, you get 8 drinks. I don't think you're probably going to get a lot in here. I haven't opened these ones yet. So I got in at like 8:30 last night after shopping at the range. Had a disco on the bus. That bus had beautiful lights. It was like a pink neon light. It was so fun. And then yeah, just like got in and had like a minute to get Waterloo Road on, but I made it. But oh wow, okay, cool. Look at these people. Oh, these are nice and chunky. Wow. So we've got a Twix. We've got ourselves, you get these in Tesco's for like 30p. We've got Snickers. We've got a Milky Way. I love Milky Way. Galaxy. Caramel flavour, apparently. Wow. Standard hot chocolate. Bounty in hot chocolate. Oh, wow. And then we've got a Mars hot chocolate. So if they're all okay and they're nice and thick, then I will get them again. I think I paid like £3 for a box of these, £3.50, something like that. But I thought these make a lovely hot chocolate because my sleep I struggle with, and they say that if you drink hot chocolate it can make you like tired and stuff. But anyway, we are now joining the next thing that I got here, which was, it's the return of the mandalas, people. Yes, as you would have seen, I've already done a mandala notebook. Accidentally deleted one of the footage, so you can't see the missing piece. But they did have a different style, and I got this one. So we've done a really nice, colourful one. We've done a sort of this one here. Now, I have decided there is a lot of mandala things coming up at the moment. We've got that icy mandala that you would have seen. We've got this one. So I'm thinking like a mandala theme at some point. So I'm going to save that for then. I only did the first notebook because I wasn't sure if there was going to be much more mandala things, but it seems to be quite popular now. You get this for £2.99, and let's get ourselves into the thing here. I think we've got a little thing there, so let me get into here. I don't know why they put it on the side. Surely it would be easier to just like fold it onto there, but it is what it is, people. Okay, so inside here, oh, this is funky, baby. I'm getting like a retro vibe here. Wow. Oh yes, lovely jubbly. So this is, I think this is more nicer, you know, than the last one. This is absolutely gorgeous. I have noticed as well that some of the drills you would have to like turn upside down because they print them upside down, but you don't have to. They can just like, you can still do them. But this is nice and chunky. As I say, you get a nice decent amount of, I love doing that, line paper. But the back, a lot of people have asked me, is the back covered? It's not covered. So you only get the one style. However, if you wanted to and you've got spare drills from all your projects that you do, you could always put a piece of glue, you know, dab a piece of glue on there, sealer, and just stick them on. So you know, you've got room for play there if you wanted to like go around sticking them on. Great way to use up your spare drills. But that is another notepad. I think this is like a cream. I can't tell if that's white or cream, but it feels really nice value. £2.99 there. You get yourself a lovely boat with bags in it. And then obviously if we move this to one side, we have ourselves the drills. So we've got ourselves a very gorgeous pastel orange colour there. We've got a red, a yellow, a pink, an orange, another orange, a blue, and a sort of teal blue. Love that one there. Absolutely gorgeous. So once again, that's our unboxing. So we have ourselves the beautiful notebook. We've got ourselves the turtle, and as I said, if you want to get your hot chocolates, they are selling these in B and M's. So I got mine from the Chelmsford branch, but yeah, they are selling them in here. So yeah, I've tried the white one of the Maltesers, and it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So Pauline, get down to B and M's if you want these. But yeah, absolutely over the moon with this. Can't wait to get stuck in. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Tap that big notification bell so that you'll be alerted to all videos, and make sure they're selected to all. If you don't select it to all, you won't be notified of the videos, and you'll only get a certain amount. Also, subscribe to the channel. There's still a percentage of you that don't subscribe but watch, but you might as well subscribe. It's totally free of charge. And as always, if you want to become a channel member and see exclusive live streams for channel members only, or if you would like to see the unboxings, there is 2 tiers to choose from. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Head down to the range today before they sell out, and we'll see you next time. Bye.